Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at another item from Western Rise's new active line of clothing. You can click in the top right hand corner to see my previous review of their Spectrum joggers from the same line. This is the Session Tee, which is mainly designed as a workout t-shirt. It's lightweight, exceptionally breathable and odor resistant, and has a very comfortable four-way stretch. And links are in the description if you'd like to check it out. I'll start off with the sizing. I tried both the small in the ash grey and the medium in the black colour, as you can see here. The small definitely fits me best between the two sizes, and it could probably even be a bit small if they offered an extra small, although small is the smallest size that they offer. They do go up to a maximum size of extra large though. In terms of performance, the shirt feels great while working out in and is definitely breathable. It reminds me of the Ramiglass t-shirts from Outlier in how breathable it is. It dries very quickly after it gets wet too, so you may notice it dries during your cool down after a run. In terms of odor performance, it's definitely better than other activewear t-shirts that I've tried, but it's definitely not quite as good as a merino wool t-shirt. I like the raglan sleeve design, and the fabric feels very soft and light in your hand and against your body while you're wearing it. I noticed that even when you start to sweat and the shirt gets a bit wet, it doesn't feel sticky like some other activewear shirts that I've tried do. This shirt comes in at $68 which could be seen as a little bit pricey, especially when you consider that you can get 100% merino wool t-shirts for only $10 more from Oliver's Apparel or other similar retailers. But this shirt is designed mainly as an activewear shirt, and it does feel slightly more breathable than merino given its structure and material, as it is specifically designed for working out in. Overall, I think it's a great t-shirt for working out or even just lounging around to endure the hot summer heat in. It's super breathable, lightweight and quick drying, and the four-way stretch makes it feel like you're wearing nothing at all. Please do leave a comment below which of the two sizes or colours you preferred, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.